In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with durations in a Smartsheet project sheet. To start, open your browser and head over to your Smartsheet account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your project workspace and open the sheet called Project Sheet. You should see the familiar grid view with your tasks, dates, and other project columns. On this sheet, look towards the top area of the grid where the column names are. The first thing you'll do is click on the highlighted area shown in the guide. This is likely one of the column headers or a small icon next to it. When you click it, a small menu or panel will appear, giving you options related to the column. Next, follow the guide and click on the next highlighted area. This may open a column settings menu or a filter or sort panel. Take a moment to look at what pops up on your screen. These controls are how you fine-tune what you see in your project sheet. You'll then click another highlighted element, which continues to drill down into the settings. As you do this, you're moving closer to adjusting how the duration information is displayed or used in the sheet. If something looks slightly different on your screen, that's okay. Just look for the button or icon in roughly the same place as shown in the guide. Now, when you see the duration option, go ahead and click on Duration. This tells Smartsheet that you want to work specifically with your task durations, whether that's to show the column, use it in a filter, or apply some formatting. After that, you'll click on Duration again, confirming that this is the field you want to apply your change to. Think of this as selecting the target for your adjustment. Once duration is selected, look for the Apply button in the panel or dialog that's open. Click on Apply to save and enforce the settings you've just chosen. This is the step that actually makes your changes visible in the sheet. After applying, you'll see a few more highlighted areas to click. These are smaller interface touches, such as confirming the view, closing a panel, or toggling a display option. Follow them one by one, clicking each highlighted area as shown. This sequence finalizes your configuration so that your duration information appears and behaves exactly as intended within the project sheet. When you're done with the last highlight, your project sheet will be updated and your durations should now be set up and visible according to the guide.